Hi, I'm Stephen Tatum with SERVPRO of St. George. Today I wanted to go over the difference between a refrigerant dehumidifier and a desiccant dehumidifier. Sometimes when it's really cold, we like to use the desiccant dehumidifiers. This is due to low temperatures or even high temperatures, like right now when it's 110 plus out here down in St. George. Our refrigerant dehumidifiers are great for ranges between 70 to 90 degrees. So really we can take care of you for any situation, any temperature. So give us a call today at 435-656-9061. Thank you.